Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to create a Discord account on phone. So we've downloaded the Discord app and we've opened it and we have two options here to register or log in. So since we're creating a new account, we're going to click on register and you have the option to enter your email or your phone number. So we're going to switch it over to email and then we're going to put in the email address. So after putting the email address, we're going to click on next. We're going to put in the display name. Of course, you could decide to skip this. So we're going to click on next after putting a display name, and then we're going to put in the password. And then after putting the password, we're going to click on next. They're also going to ask you to put your date of birth. So after putting your date of birth, you're going to click on create an account. You're going to get to confirm if you're human, obviously. So we're going to click on confirm. And here's just the test to follow through. And now that our Discord account is created, it's going to ask us to verify our account by email. So we're going to click on this to verify by email. So there are some instructions that have been sent to our email, which we're going to use to verify our account. So we're going to go over to our email and check for it. However, if we do not receive the email after a reasonable time of waiting, then you're going to have to tap on resend email. So we're going to go over our email to do that. So as you can see here, we have the mail from Discord and we get to verify our email with a click of a button. We're going to verify that we're human again and carry out a simple exercise for verification. Click on next and do the same thing again. And now you can see that our email is verified. The next thing to do is to continue to Discord, which is what we're going to tap on now. And now we're currently in our Discord, which we just created. So this is how to create a Discord account on phone.